welcome back to my channel, and today I'm doing another video. I'm unboxing my Balenciaga speed trainers. Before we get into this unboxing, I just want to give a huge shout out for all the people that have lately subscribed, and if you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button right now. Just waiting for you to subscribe. Have you done it? Okay, let's get into the video. So I'm going to probably wear these today, which is why I was like, let me do the unboxing. They came like this, and I got them from Selfridges. Now, to be honest, getting these trainers is literally like the most annoying thing ever. My friend bought them about 3 months ago. I've been going downstairs to Selfridges every single day trying to get them. They're like, they're coming in, they're coming in, they're coming in, coming in. And I went on Matches, My Teresa, Farfetch, sold out, online, sold out. And it's just like, I didn't want to buy them from eBay or a resale site because that's just not me. I don't do that. I tend to buy most of my things in Selfridges or online. Like, that is it. I won't really buy from anywhere else. So I saw these on my friend's feet, and I was like, oh my god, I need to purchase. And at first I really hate these trainers. I was like, ew, like, they're not for me. And then they kind of grown on me, and I literally saw, I had a Russian client. She came in with her Balenciaga, I'm gonna steal the look, I don't care. She came in with her Balenciaga blazer, like houndstooth style, white graphic t-shirt, vintage blue jeans, and these Balenciaga trainers, and I was like, oh my god, I need to purchase. And it's crazy because it's like, I really didn't like these trainers before, but yeah. Let me just unbox them and then I'll tell you everything. These are the Balenciagas. Ah, oh my god. Epic fail at unboxing, epic fail. Oh my god, it's really tight. And you get like a Balenciaga dust bag. Ta-da! Ta-da! I did get them in white, which is kind of like, why on earth would you ever get white Balenciagas? But I saw this client wear them and I was like, oh my god, I need to purchase. Like, I need these in my life. And that is basically what I did. I purchased. Got the receipt here. I bought them in Selfridges, as I said, for £455. The girl that served me was so nice. Like, she was just like really nice. Customer service was nice. They were the last pair. So these are in a size, they're in a European 36. Kind of like a cotton sock boot. They're called the Balenciaga speed trainers. They're cotton sock boots, and they just go really well with like vintage jeans or a dress. Like, I'll show you later on what I'm actually wearing it with. Like, I'm wearing a bomber jacket and a Alexander Wang dress, and just show you how I style it when I head out. Yeah, like, when I tried them on in the store, it literally feels like I'm walking on air. Apparently the sole is kind of like the same materials that they use in like soft spring memory foam mattresses, so it's super soft on the feet. And these are the trainers. I think that if I find a link for you guys, I will link it below. They literally keep coming in and getting sold out. So this is the thing, like, how are you meant to get these trainers? I honestly didn't want them, and then this customer, she wore them, and I was like, oh my god, this is amazing. So yeah, like, I just think they're super fashion forward. I've seen them all over London Fashion Week, Paris Fashion Week, New York Fashion Week. Like, every single blogger is wearing them, so I was like, might as well join the trend. I think they're worth £455. I've never paid £455 for trainers. No, like, oh yes, I have actually, my Chanel trainers. But yeah, like, normally I don't really wear trainers, so for me this was like, okay, like, jumping the gun, because I don't wear trainers. But I thought I'd do something different. I'm always like, I feel like as I'm getting older, I'm not that much older, but I just need to stop with the heel and need something more comfortable for on the go. But yeah, these are the trainers. So cute. So I just thought I'd give a quick snapshot of what they look like on. I'm just wearing this Alexander Wang dress and a H&M bomber. And I just feel right now like Balenciaga is just like so fashion forward. Even like the sock boots, I wish I could purchase the sock boots, but they're like £700, and like the long ones are like £1,000, and it's just like, where the sugar daddy at? Where he at though? Where they at? Where they at though? Where they at? Where they at? Where they at though? I don't know, like I don't know, I don't want to make myself broke, so no. I'm scared shitless of getting these dirty, but I don't know, the black ones for me weren't really doing anything, so. But what do you guys think? I remember I put it on my Snapchat like, oh, I might be getting these. Oh god, my nose is so itchy. And everyone's like, ew. Ew. And then some people are like, yes girl, you got the trainers, and some people are hating because they can't get it themselves. It's not my fault you don't have connections. What I will say is, I don't know if they're still available in Selfridges, but I know they don't put these on hold because they're a best-selling product. So you literally have to go in and get them. And I remember when they came back in stock in Selfridges, and literally like bought them 3 months ago, and then they came back in stock like a month later in purple and black, and then they sold. I went downstairs, they sold out, and then they got them back in again. When I got them, they wouldn't let me put it on hold. They were like, you need to buy it right now. And I was like, okay, I'm coming. So I went to go and grab my purse, and then I like purchased them. I remember literally being on the 3rd floor, and I literally, something told me just to go downstairs and check. So I went downstairs and they were like, oh yeah, we got them back in stock today. I think they got them back in stock yesterday. No, it might have been today because it was sold out already. And they were like, we have a 36, a 35 and a 39. And I was like, I just want the white ones. And they had my 36, so super excited. Power to the girls with the small feet and looking pretty in them petite feet. But yeah, that's my story. So guys, thank you for watching this unboxing. Did you guys have any of my subscribers? Have any of you got these trainers? What do you think of the trainers? Have you tried to purchase them? Have you got any great stories? Leave comments below and let me know. My phone keeps popping off. But yeah, comment below and let me know, and I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember guys, to always stay, what? Bougie.